Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports on a quick progress video. We're not going to go over the full build on this video, just to show you some things that we've recently added to the build. Progress-wise, we have front new driving and side marker lights, Warren synthetic 10,000-pound winch, factor 55 accessories going all on the front. Following up with D-rings that will be added next week. They're in powder coat right now. Obviously, we have the flush mount lights in the bumpers to color match the concrete gray 20-inch light bar up top. We added a 50-inch light bar on the top rack as well. We are adding a set of rock sliders next week. We have flush mount reverse lights in the bumper. Those are obviously color match concrete gray as well. Coming along nicely. So in addition to the rock sliders next week, we are adding a full Yukon drive line underneath. So we're going to have Yukon 456 front and rear gears, chromoly front axles, Yukon rear axles, ARB front and rear lockers, and at that point a little testing and tuning, and it's ready to hit the market. If you guys have any questions, 855-955-3377. That's 855 XJ Jeeps. Thank you.